Hello there lovely Munchkins, and welcome into my new video, which is unboxing of OwlCrate, which is subscription box where each month you receive one book and items related to this book. I decided and I thought about buying this box for a very long time when I find it OwlCrate on Instagram, almost like it popped on Instagram to me in end of the 2017, and when 2018 came, I was just like, oh my god, I really need to put myself into it and buy one of these boxes. And I'm here and I bought it even when I bought a June box, which is like pretty long after the January, but whatever. I put myself into it and I bought it, so I'm pretty happy about that, and I can't wait to unbox this. I must say I already opened this box because I wanted to make sure that nothing is damaged inside. I believe you OwlCrate, but I just need to make sure when it came to me, because I don't believe you are a post. And everything was okay, and I just unpacked one thing from this box, which I don't know what it is, but I just didn't want to make big sounds with ripping the thing off. So here we go. Open it. Yo! Something just fell off. Sorry. So package looks like this, and here is what. Guide unboxing if you give to hoots. Hoot, something like this. Okay, no, just kidding. Here is that photograph and film your unboxing experience. I'm doing that, I'm filming it. Share it, I will, so it's 2 hoots. Good to me. And read, snuggle up and enjoy your new book. I will. I hope I will. I'm going to just do this. Come on. Okay, I have it. But this is something that fell off. So, theme of the June box is Summer Lovin', and spoiler, I'm not gonna spoil myself, not gonna read it, so I just bring it here, and here we go. So, it's something puffy. No, I'm going for the box. I'm box sitting. So what is this? OwlCrate exclusive mug. Oh my god, it's mug. Mug. Oh my god, it's mason jar. Oh, it looks amazing. It really look amazing. And here is OwlCrate, of course. Bookworm, love and proud. Oh yeah, this is great. I love these mason jar mugs, and I have loads of them actually, and this is actually the first one which is not like for straw, which I'm happy about that. And welcome in the family, mug. You are welcome. So thank you for that. And by the way, the colors are really great. I love orange, so good point for that. Okay, what is this? It's that. Let's go here. Okay. Oh. Okay. I don't know what this towel? Blanket? It's like this. You don't see me. It looked good. And what that? I'm going to spoil myself. What's that? Oh, it's microfiber towel designed by Stella Bookish Art. Ooh, great! It's towel. Okay, you will go with me on the beach tomorrow. Okay? Yeah, this is something that I will love. And about this, I'm going to spoil. Is mason jar mug, really Lizzy? Designed exclusively by Michelle Gray and Team OwlCrate. So, you know who made this exclusively for us, OwlCrate fans. Okay, going to next. Here is tea. Ooh, it's Riddle, Tea Shop and Curiosities. I'm gonna open it. Oh, it smells amazing. Come on, let's open it. I just fell in love. Oh my god, it's amazing. It's Riddle, Tea Shop and Curiosities, which I read already. And OwlCrate exclusive apple picking at night. Summer apple and peach tea. Oh, there is 3 tea bags. Oh my god, I don't know if I should do it or just keep it for that amazing smell. I'm gonna make 1 tea and I would keep forever probably. It smells amazing. Okay, really happy. What is this? Oh, it's pen. Oh yeah, it's pen. Ooh, it's black pen. Right? And it's really cute. Here is like the cactus with sunny day wrote in it. Oh, it's cute. Yeah. Something for my writing, because I love to write most of the time my diary. Good. Okay, what is next? Okay, this is like bookmark, and we have here a button, which is cute too. It's this, which I actually don't know how this is called in English, so I'm sorry, but it's like same kind of like a London eye. I really don't know how it's called. Okay. Oh, this is keychain. Which looks like a popcorn. And now I want a popcorn. And this is bookmark, right? Summer was a book of hope. Who made this book? Okay. It's bookmark, exclusive wooden. Oh, it's wood. Oh, really? I didn't even saw that for the first thing, like the wood. And I just drop it. Like, really? Why I'm so amazing today? I'm back. Okay. And it's made by Ink and Wooden Design. Oh, it's amazing. I would use it for this book from this box, definitely. And here are even the Facebook and Instagram, which I would link down below. And the last thing what we have here is the book. What is something what each of us probably wanna like a first. I knew it. My friend, she didn't care about other things. She cared about book and then about other things. But like I prefer like the first the small things what are inside, and the last is a book for me. Okay, I'm gonna rip it. From Twinkle with Love. What is this? We have here. Where did I put that? Okay, so here. Oh, it's signed. Like not hand signed it, but it's signed. Oh, it's good. This is something what I didn't expect. And this is supposed to, what I got with it, it's a letter from the author of this book. Oh, nice. Oh, so the keychain is for this book. Nice. Can't wait for reading that. I love the smell of the new book. So I need to smell it. So this is a letter, okay, I'm gonna put it inside. So like the look at the book. It's really great. It's a really cute book. I can't wait to read that. And I knew that I would be like love the book because I love each of books that I ever read. But okay, we have here like two last things, which is like a little magazine or something like that. Oh, so in the magazine, have a look it. Oh, so in the magazine it's actually like a little interview with the author. A little interview with the Riddles tea show. And here it's even that they released that OwlCrate made their own cover of the book, and this is the regular what you will get in the shops. I think I like the OwlCrate better. It's better color and it's my like not favorites but colors what I like more. And here is even OwlCrate June photo challenge, and I would like go in that photo challenge. Like I would participate in that photo challenge, like definitely. Yeah, for this. Okay, and what is this? Oh, and the last thing what we got here is a theme for the Julie box is a strange and unusual. A flip for the sneak peek. Oh, so it will do something with the Stranger Things, I think, which is amazing because I love Stranger Things. Inside the Julie box you will find an official licensed item for Stranger Things. You got me for that actually, like definitely. Yeah. What I should say for this unboxing, I received what I did expect, which, yeah, it's amazing. I think like good things. I received towel for the beach. That's amazing. I received mug, which I didn't expect, and it's will be probably one of my favorites because I love these Mason jar mugs like totally. So this will be one of my favorites, and he will be in my new family. You need to wash. So definitely this will be something that I will use all the time. Same with the pen, same with the keychain. And the book will go into my whole book thing, and I'm not sure when I would read it. Like definitely I'm not sure because I need to be honest with you guys. I have a big pile of books which I didn't read, and I have them new. So when I will get into that I would read the books, it's I don't know when, but this will go on my pile of books, and it will be like next order to read this book, and I will definitely make that when the time will come and end of the summer you will be read it. I hope so. So yeah, this is end of the video, guys. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you wanna see next of my videos, go and subscribe this channel. Every links are down below, even my every social media. So go and you can give me follow on Instagram or anywhere else. And we would see each other in the next video. So bye, Munchkins.